Hello everyone. Today let's see the concept of time complexity. So what is time complexity means? It is the time required to run an algorithm. So how we are going to calculate this time complexity? By using frequency count method we can calculate the time complexity of an algorithm in a very easy way. So for that we have to remember two main points. Those are every statement has its own count value, and second one is if that statement present inside another statement, then count will be changed. So what are these 2 points? Let's see with an example. The given example is the multiplication of matrices. It is an algorithm. For any kind of statement, basically the value of its statement is 1. This one is for general statement. For example, if it is a looping statement, for example for while, do while, then it will be n plus 1. And one more important thing is, if a statement lies inside another statement, then this inside statement will have a value of n. So these are the three main points. So in this first statement line is just algorithm, we can leave it, and second one is curly brace, we can leave it, and third one is this is for loop. So for any kind of for loop, looping statement, the value is n plus 1, and this is curly brace, leave, and this is for loop. Actually it is a for loop, so we are writing n plus 1, and this for loop lies inside another statement, that means its value becomes n also, so we have to multiply, and then it is curly brace, leaf, and then it is a general statement. For any kind of general statement we can give 1, right? So and we can give 1, we can multiply 1, so 1. So why I multiply 2 times means it is present inside 2 loops. So for that, first n is for this loop and second n is for this loop, and also this the value of this particular statement is 1, so as usual it is n square. And next for loop, this for loop actual value is n plus 1, and this for loop is present inside this one, so n, and also this one, so n. Next, and this is curly brace, we can leave, and then this statement, this is just a normal statement. For any kind of normal statement, we can give as 1, and also it is a statement which is lies inside some kind of statements which are for looping statements. So we have 1 2 3 for loop statements, so we are multiplying with 3 n's, and remaining a curly brace we can just leave. So finally the time complexity of this particular algorithm is 2n cube plus 3n square plus 2n plus 1. Also we can observe here the biggest value is cube. So we can conclude that the time complexity of the multiplication of matrices is n cube.